Social networks are constantly changing their algorithms to personalize what users see in their feeds. As a business owner, it is getting more and more challenging to appear in the organic content for your targeted audience. So, how is your online marketing strategy set up to tackle this? Have you considered adding social media to the mix? Facebook ads increases the visibility of your content and consequently the sales of your e-commerce business. Naturally, when thinking e-commerce, the first advertising platforms that comes to mind is Google and its shopping campaigns. But what happens when you are already profitable in one shopping platform and still seeking ways to grow your business online? Facebook shopping isn't a bad idea. So today, we'll share our pro tips on setting up your e-commerce business for Facebook sales. So, where to start? First, you'll need to ensure that tracking in your business manager is on point for your Facebook sales campaign. To install your tracking codes hassle-free and without coding knowledge, check to see if your e-commerce business platform has an active integration with Facebook. Don't know where to look for these partner integrations? Facebook got you covered since it provides a list of partner integrations and detailed instructions where you can follow the step-by-step guide. Locate Facebook Partners integrations. You'll love this part. The main attraction here is that it refers to other businesses, not individual people. You can collaborate and share permissions with them if they are related to assets. To access this list of partner integrations, you'll need to go to the event manager in your business manager. Once you're there, click on Partner Integrations. From here, you will find different e-commerce platforms integrations available for your Facebook sales campaign. All you need to do is select the one you're using and then follow the instructions. Adding a catalog to Commerce Manager. In this step, you have a wide range of products in your website. You can also create a catalog and shop in the Commerce Manager. Just open the Business Manager menu, click on the Commerce Manager, and select Catalog. Pro tip: if you haven't created a Facebook shop, click on Add Shop and perform the steps indicated. Select e-commerce as your catalog type, choose to connect a partner platform, and voila! Your catalog is all set. Verifying the domain. You're almost there. The next step is a relatively simple process and highly recommended so that you have control over your content. To request verification and receiving a code, you'll need to go to Business Setting, then Brand Safety, and under this section, you'll find the domains. Once in the Domain section, click the Add button and verify your website's domain. Event Tracking. The last step is tracking setup. You'll need to configure events in the Aggregated Event Measurement tool. Pro tip: due to the iOS 0.5 updates, we recommend configuring events in the Aggregated Event Measurement tool and selecting your events in the highest to lowest priority. For Facebook e-commerce, we recommend organizing your events. Remember that your final conversion action should be the one with the highest priority. In the case of an e-commerce account, it will be the purchase event. Choosing the right campaign objective. Campaign objectives are a performance deal breaker, so make sure you choose the right goal. It is equivalent to the action you want audiences to take when they see your ad. Once you're clear about what you want to achieve through your campaign efforts, it's time to choose the campaign objective that best suits your business. Each of the 11 objectives that Facebook offers aims to optimize your ads to achieve that goal. The most popular objective: conversion. This objective is ideal for working at the bottom of the sales funnel, where you have high-intent audiences ready to buy. Let me quickly walk you through creating a conversion campaign to focus on Facebook sales for your business. Go to your Business Manager and click on Create. Select Sales as your campaign objectives and choose the Manual Setup option. Then, select an optimization delivery. At the ad set level, select Website as your conversion location and the conversion event you want to optimize your campaign towards. In this case, it should be the purchase event since your campaign will focus on Facebook sales. Set your budget. For conversion campaigns, be aware that this type of campaign is the most expensive across all Facebook goals. We recommend setting a monthly budget higher than $1,500. Pro tip: if you're targeting all United States, the minimum recommended budget is $3,000. Detailed targeting and demographics. This setup will depend on the product you sell and your buyer persona. For example, you're in the retail and apparel industry. you should use interests related to clothing, fashion, and accessories. Delimit your location targeting. For Facebook e-commerce accounts, it is crucial to limit your location targeting based on your shipping capabilities. If you're only shipping to certain areas, avoid targeting cities where you can deliver your product. Last but not least, create your ads. We recommend using video formats and carousels to display as many products as possible. Pro tip, you can pull products directly from your catalog with carousel ads. Get creative with your ads. Make sure you use impactful creatives and ad copies to highlight your business from your competitors. Takeaways. Okay, so we're aware that getting yourself into Facebook ads can initially be somewhat overwhelming and complex, but nothing unachievable. The pros outweighs the cons when there are numerous advantages, such as another venue to get your business in front of other audiences and brand awareness. Hopefully, with these instructions we've shared, you will be more than ready to start managing your commercial activity on Facebook and Instagram. Now, head over to the Ad Manager and create your first campaign. We always want to keep you in the loop to know the full potential of new features of advertising tools for e-commerce. Find this video helpful? Continue to learn more next time and subscribe to our channel. It's the red button down there. And don't forget to activate the notifications bell. See you next time!